My name is Joe. Welcome to another day of running a plastic recycling factory here in Accra, Ghana, specifically Kaswa. The goal of this channel is to share my experiences, whether good or bad, about running a business in Ghana. So join me. The focus for today is to resolve issues with our air compressor. In our line of business, the air compressor is like the lifeblood to the entire factory when it comes to bag making. It's the one that supplies power, not power, but like in a way it's like power, right? Supplies air to the machines, from extruders to the cutting machine. So without this piece of machinery malfunctioning, you cannot do anything until that has been resolved. And it's been a few days, well, specifically several days and 8-day counting. Right now, well, yesterday, an engineer came to inspect it. We discovered that we need to change 3 things: the oil filter, air filter, and the oil separator. We've done that. We bought it. We went to Accra. And then another electrical engineer came and discovered that we have electrical fault with the inverter. So now, about an hour ago, I spoke to the engineer and said that we need to change a few coils, relays in the machine, and transistors, whatever. So is that's what needs to be done to get the inverter working again, so that we can get the entire compressor working. So we are waiting on him to finish, and he's gonna bring it, God willing, today. Right now, I'm going to view an air compressor that is currently being used by another factory, because I'm thinking of buying the older type compressor, the traditional one, which does not use any drive or inverter or whatever. So that one is like pretty simple, easy to use, and hopefully it's not too kind of technical to fix. So I just want to get an idea of the liters that is currently being used by this factory, because our air compressor is 1,000 liter, and according to IMA, they are using a smaller air compressor which is able to supply more machines, and we have fewer machines. So I want to see with my very own eye, so that I'll buy the next air compressor I'll buy as a backup. I'll buy one of those types. I just want to kind of view and get that confidence. So that's what we are going to do, to see another air compressor from another brother who's running another plastic recycling factory here in Kaswa as well. And next, I've got 2 bags of PP material at the back of the car. I want to go and give it to a prospective client who's going to try it, and if the person likes it, they can come and get the rest of the material that is currently in our factory. So that is the goal for today, and then I'll do a few other things. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you up to date of what is going on running a plastic recycling factory here in Ghana. Stay tuned.